Hi friends. Okay, we have a very special upcycle, multiple upcycles today. Let me show you. So we have these three things to upcycle today. And these three things belong to my friend's dad who recently passed away, and she wanted to keep some of her dad's old clothes and have them upcycled into cute clothes that she could wear. And I'm so honored to do this for her. And I just thought, what an amazing idea, you know? Like, take your beloved, cherished items and upcycle them and make them into something that, you know, you can wear and remember them by. So I'm very honored to be doing this for my friend, and I can't wait to upcycle these into cute clothes for her. So let's get started. So let me share with you some of the plan that we have for these three items. So for the fish shirt, she actually really liked this bandeau type of strapless top that I had made a couple years ago. So I'm gonna do that with the fish shirt and maybe add on some spaghetti straps or like halter straps. And then this really simple V-neck kind of boxy tank top, actually really similar to the yellow V-neck tank top that I recently upcycled. I think it'll look great with the fabric on this white top. And then for the blazer, she is leaving that up to me. She said, make it into a skirt if you want to. So I am gonna play that one by ear. We'll do that one last, and let's jump right into the white top. So for this top, honestly, I'm just gonna kind of like use most of the steps that I did in my recent like yellow V-neck tank top upcycle. It should be pretty simple.
Sit on my bed, I got nothing to do. Take out my phone, 1 second, right to you. I'm really bored, please don't ignore. Started as fun, now I randomly know you love rainy days and you still live at home. It's cool to see you're real with me. Oh no, we've never met, and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts.
Okay, so this is as far as I have gotten. So I've cut V-necks here and in the back, and then the sleeves off. I took the sides in a little bit. So now I'm just going to finish off these edges and crop it, and honestly, it'll be done after that. I think this one is just the perfect material and shirt to use for this V-neck tank top. Super simple, but like beachy and cute.
I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into your DMs like I said. I think I really like you, but I'll never say it straight to your face.
Alright, the white top is done and it looks good. Moving on to the fish shirt. This is just such a special top. It's so unique. So I can't wait to get started, and we're gonna do that right now.
A few weeks and we're keeping this up. Difficult to deny we're on the cusp of something more. Can't be ignored. I let you know every part of me. All of the nuances no one else sees. We talk all night, I read then type. Oh no, we've never met, and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. Cause I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into your DMs like I said. I think I really like you, but I'll never say it straight to your face. I really like.
Alright, so here's the thing. Since I am obviously not making this for myself, I need to think about like adjustability so that no matter how I make this top, it will fit my friend perfectly. So how I'm going to do that is I think I'm going to add some elastic to the top of the back to factor in the adjustability so that the front can still be kind of like laying flat up here, so it won't have to be like elastic all the way around and be ruffly, so you can still get that kind of look that my other top has. So I'm going to try it. Okay, the elastic worked just how I wanted it to, so what I'm gonna do now is try and figure out, where I need to put a little snap or a clasp. Okay, so the goal with the placement here is to do it just a little bit too tight. So I'm gonna do it a little bit smaller than her measurements because I added the elastic. You get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do it around like 32.5, and that should be good.
Wake up this morning, make the mistake of turning on the TV. Nothing but bad news, empty avenues rolling on the screen. Oh, walk to the kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee. Wave at the older man, get into something tame on his balcony. Oh, yeah, we both have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long.
All right, I got the straps on the fish tank. Turned out super cute. Now we're on to this blazer. So we decided to just crop it. First, I'm gonna take the shoulder pads out of the shoulders since they're so wide. And then I will move on to cropping it. And I think what I'm gonna do is, since I'll have to crop it probably like right about where this button is, I'm going to make another buttonhole up here and add one of the buttons up here just so it looks like, you know, it like fits a feminine body better.
But the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli while the world ends. That's where I will be. Go back to my room. I pick up the laptop to join a work call. I don't think Karen knows that she's wearing her sweatshirt inside out. Oh, water on my plants, and I just might take a painting, read every book, then I'll learn to cook from videos online. Oh, yeah, we all have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sun.
Okay, I'm done with all of them, and as I went to try this on again, this top, I knew that there was just like a flaw with my original design with the whole clasp right here. Like it just doesn't lay very well, but I didn't want to like sew it all shut because I wanted to make certain that it would fit my friend. But I tried to take this on and off over my head and it works perfectly because of this elastic that I put in the back. So I decided that I'm just going to sew this top part closed where it overlaps right here. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm also wanting to sew in the tag from this top here right onto the tank top because it's special and I think she might like that. So after I do that, I will show you how they all turned out. That is that. They're all ready to go and I'm gonna ship them off to her, and this was such a cool project. I was so honored to do this for my friend, and I just hope that she enjoys them for many years to come. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, like this video and subscribe maybe if you want to see more sewing videos. I am planning on starting the mural in my office pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. More vlogs and more upcycles to come. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.